So for this problem, we have two legs and a hypotenuse. Of course, the hypotenuse is the biggest number, which in this case is the first number. It's 80 is the biggest number, so just remember, these are not always going to be in order from least to greatest. I have one leg that's 65. It doesn't matter which one I make that leg, and the 48 is just the other one right there. So again, I'm putting a question mark here in the middle because I don't know if it's going to be equal to, greater than, or less than. Then we just fill in everything else. 65 squared plus 48 squared. We don't know how it compares to 80 squared, but I'm just going to go straight to my calculator and then do these. So 65 squared, my calculator gives me 4,225. 48 squared shows as 2,304. And then 8 squared should be 80 squared rather, should be 6,400, and it is. So this is what we get, and I'm going to add these two numbers together and then compare that with 6,400. So let's go ahead and combine these together. So I've got 2,304 plus 4,225. Enter, and I get 6,529. Now what I'm seeing from a few slides back there was that I've got the sum of the squares of the legs. This number is going to be bigger, so I don't really need that question mark in there. They're definitely not equal, so I know I'm definitely not looking at a right triangle because they're not equal. And then I see here that 6,529 is bigger. So my legs, sum of the squares of the legs is bigger, which means I'm looking at an acute triangle for this particular problem.